In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for essay writing. This is a simple way to generate ideas, outlines, and full essays more efficiently. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help with an essay. For example, I might type, "Write an essay about the importance of renewable energy." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate an essay draft, usually including an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. If I want a more structured approach, I can first ask Claude to create an essay outline. For example, I might type, "Create an outline for an essay about renewable energy." Once the outline is generated, I can ask Claude to expand each section into full paragraphs. I can also ask Claude to adjust the tone, simplify the language, or shorten the essay depending on my needs. Once the essay looks good, I can copy the text and edit it if needed before submitting or publishing it. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to help with essay writing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.